Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss how to hide your online status on Snapchat. Here is what you need to do. Go to your profile, locate at the top left corner, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Privacy Controls. Under Privacy Controls, you'll see an option called Activity Indicator. When enabled, user can see if you have been activity on Snapchat recently. Toggle if off to hide your online status. But turning off the activity indicator, nobody will be able to see if you're currently active on Snapchat. And that's all there is so to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you in the next one.